50 years ago, John Crane engineered a breakthrough that changed everything: the world's first Type 28 non-contacting dry gas seal. It didn't just redefine compressor reliability, it reshaped how entire industries manage efficiency, emissions, and performance. And we're still here, building that legacy every day. From the Type 28's pioneering spiral groove design to the first steam turbine applications in the 1980s, the first LNG megatrains in the 2000s, and the world's largest dry gas seal in 1998. Every generation has built on the one before, pushing reliability, efficiency, and sustainability further.
When we first tested the Type 28, we knew it was something special. It changed the way the whole industry thought about sealing.
The spiral groove technology was a real game changer. It eliminated contact, reduced wear, and made sealing more reliable than ever before. It set a new benchmark for compressor performance.
Every innovation began with listening, understanding what matters most to our customers: uptime, safety, and sustainability. Our dry gas seals help reduce downtime, extend equipment life, and cut emissions, delivering reliability that powers global industries.
50 years ago, John Crane revolutionized compressor design and set the new standards for emission control. Today, that same spirit of innovation drives us as we engineer for the energy transition and for our customer success.
Today, our innovation network spans the globe with our Dry Gas Seal Centre of Excellence in the UK and manufacturing centres in the US, Japan and China, giving customers world-class engineering expertise and sustainable production.
The success of our dry gas seal business in Japan has been built upon the passion and expertise of our people and their dedication to meeting our customer needs. We worked closely with compressor manufacturers to design and engineering technology that helps customers to optimize compressor performance.
What excites me most is how far we've come in seal design. We're combining 50 years of experience with new materials, digital insights, and data-driven performance testing to take dry gas seal reliability to the next level.
From our facilities in North America, we have seen technology evolve with every generation. The focus has always been the same: deliver reliability, protect assets, and keep customers operating safely.
With 12 turbo centres worldwide, we provide customers with unmatched responsiveness, local knowledge and global consistency, ensuring their compressors keep running safely and efficiently.
I'm very excited to share John Crane's new Performance Plus modular service framework, which support our customers at every stage of their plant's life cycle journey and is tailored to their specific needs.
At John Crane, we have spent 50 years perfecting dry gas seal technology, and we are just getting started. From hydrogen to carbon capture, we are engineering the solutions that will help power a cleaner, more sustainable future.
We're here to help protect the planet's resources and are engineering world-changing flow control solutions that power the energy and process industries of tomorrow.